Common in households and schools in the Philippines, floor waxing is very essential. When applied and maintained properly, floor waxes give a high shine which is highly desirable in most commercial spaces. However, waxing the floors manually also has its drawbacks. One of which is how time-consuming the work is and requires a lot of effort. Another thing to note is how it stains your clothing and skin. In a school setting, students, especially in public schools, are expected to clean their classrooms, including waxing the floors. The proposed solution: Mechflo, a 2-in-1 floor mop with squirting mechanism of liquid wax. With this, consumers, in this case, the students, won't have a difficult time waxing an entire classroom floor. Saves time and does not require a lot of effort. The Mechflo, standing at 1.30 meters in height, has a handle used for easy gripping of the mop. Behind the handle is the sprayer for squirting the liquid wax onto the floor. The liquid wax is stocked in a cylindrical storage that is attached to the body of the mop. The wax will exit in the tube attached to the liquid wax storage. A detachable cotton cloth wiper is then affixed to the bottom part of the mop. The researchers came up with this innovative solution. With Mechflo, floor waxing will never be a problem.